Hello everyone! Most ESG and BRSR videos explain regulations, but rarely show where to find real company reports. If you're an ESG student, beginner, researcher, this video will help you find authentic company BRSR reports. I'll show you where to find BRSR reports, ESG reports, sustainability reports, and annual reports directly from official company sources. Let's begin with the NSE website. Let's start by opening the NSE website in your web browser. This is the official NSE website, and it's publicly accessible to everyone. Search for any company listed on the NSE. For this demonstration, I'll use TCS. Type TCS into the search bar and press Enter. This will take you to the TCS company profile page. Now, scroll down slightly until you reach Annual Reports and BRR Reports section. Here, you'll see reports from both the current and previous years. Click on any PDF to open the report in a new tab. This is the company's BRSR report. You can directly save it into your files by clicking Ctrl+S. Inside the report, you'll find detailed disclosures organized into different sections, including essential indicators and leadership indicators, along with other ESG-related information. The best way to learn ESG is through real company reports. Keep exploring, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.